If you're trying to get your ex back and it feels like the harder you try, the further away he gets, then this is for you. Because getting your ex back is not about effort. It's about structure. Feeling, structured thinking, structured behaving. And structure is aligning with a foundation that is going to give you the support that you need to inch your way back to him feeling what he needs to feel and you feeling good. I can imagine if you are here, you're getting a lot of voices from friends, family, and social media, and in all ways that you need to move on. He was bad in this way, and you weren't great together in this way or that way, and all manner of stuff that you are in dissonance with because you feel a certain way. And that feeling is divine. It comes from you, the creator, the God particle in you, if you will, or the universe in whatever way you think about higher power, etc. And we're going to structure that so that you can systematically lessen the noise and move towards your divine desire. This structure that removes resistance and allows you to both step back into traction, connection, and then move towards a better relationship. And you may have felt it was a great relationship, but something was misaligned for him, and you will need to align yourself completely so that that is erased. Whether or not you were the one that broke up or he was the one that broke up. So who am I to talk about this? I am Coach Paula Grooms, the ex-back architect, licensed social worker, and author of the book, Why Won't He Commit? How a Man Decides to Make You the One. I help you get your ex back and grow any relationship with a man so you create the relationship of your dreams and level up to the complete commitment you totally deserve. Make no mistake, we as women, we are the architects of our relationships with men. You can have what you want, but you do need to get this foundation first and foremost, and then we go step by step into how you actually attract all this back through structured feeling, thinking, and behaving. So I'm going to give you a very simple formula for this that I want you to just begin thinking about so that you can feel a supportive foundation underneath you, that this can happen for you. You can get back together. You can get in more divine alignment with what you desire, forgoing the noise out there. Very easily put so that you can remember it, which that's the most important thing. I call it the DNA. D is for desire, which is divine. And it's very important for you to align with your desire. And then we add in the N, which is non-resistance. The non-resistance has to come from within and without. D, desire. You must align with your desire because it is divine. If you want something, you must align with that desire fully and not allow outside stuff to come into it. And you may be really in dissonance with it, another D. So you want to think about that, and you want to go back and watch this video from here until the end, because if you get this foundationally, you will be on your way. Next steps, we go step by step in my ex-back 3-pillared blueprint for you to get all you desire and deserve. Make no mistake, DNA is simply the helix. It's the foundation. It is not the 3-pillared approach. That is the next step up. We got to start here. We got to get you okay with your desire. You must align with the divine and know that you are destined to have what you desire in life. The God particle, the creator within you, the universe, will give you what you want when you align with it completely. So that's the D part of it. And there's all manner of stuff on this. We could do hours days, a week of a seminar. You have to know it and again, go step by step through this knowing, aligning with it every day. It's very simple, but it's not easy. Then we look at N. N is for non-resistance. There's nothing more foundational than this. As we just talked about, you're going to get resistance from the outside world. You're going to feel resistance from him. You are going to feel like the universe is against you and resisting your divine desire. You've got to override that, and you've got to get into non-resistance. Again, this is one video that we're doing here to outline the foundation. It will not go forward into all of the modalities and mechanisms of how we do that. We have to just get you into the thoughts, which is, again, the thinking part of this, that you have to be non-resistant, open, not closing yourself off because you have been hurt, because this happened, that happened, all the story. When I'm working with women, they want to stay in the story. And if we stay in the story, we don't move forward into the non-resistance. And that's what we have to do here. When we add desire plus non-resistance, we achieve, and it is awesome. 1 + 1 = 2. This foundation lives within my 3-pillared approach to get back with an X. And it is all about your mindset, manifestation, and then what I call my mechanics of men. So many times in this space of, say, Neville Goddard manifestation, law of attraction, any modality or approach that is about thinking something into being, which it's all about that. There is an element in this work, however, of behavior. If you are following different practitioners' approaches, you're watching videos about achieving anything in your life, law of attraction, law of assumption, any of it, there are these foundational principles of you must be in desire and decide what your goal is, and then you must be in non-resistance. Those two things alone absolutely can get you there if you give over to it fully. But in my work, I add in the mechanics of men because there is a behavioral component that is a must that is definitely missing now because we in our modern world are looking at men and women because we are completely equal as the same. And this sameness approach hurts women more than I dare say anything else. It's clearly not working now. It has never worked. And it really is psychologically and in some ways scientifically what we need to deal with in dealing with the differences of the sexes. And if that doesn't align with your thinking, and you feel that you can talk to a man like you talk to a woman and relate via verbalization and not action, because action is how men relate, then this isn't for you because it is so foundational of the difference between men and women. And again, everything is on a scale. It's not 100% one way or 100% another way. It's in the middle. That's where the sweet spot is. When we understand men in a way that our modern world is pushing us against and away from, we can attract and achieve our awesome desire. So I'm going to give you a few tips just for today because that's where you need to start with the now. Align with your desire and say, my desire is divine. I deserve what I desire. I can have what I desire. If you follow me here, you know that I am all about mindset and affirming to align with your desire. Very simply, if you cannot quiet your mind to think about this, I'm not saying you need to meditate. That's not necessary. Aligning with your desire can simply mean changing your thoughts. You can easily do what I call the alphabet exercise for affirmations. Again, A, alphabet affirmations, easy to remember. Start with A. I accept my desire. I align with my desire. My desire is awesome. I am all that I need to get the love back that I want. I just thought of several A's right there. B, I am bringing the love I want into my life. I am bringing him back. C, I am calm and confident that I can create the life of love I desire. D, my desire is divine. You see, it's simple that way, going down the alphabet. You will come up with so many incredible affirmations. When you hit on one that feels special, that tweaks you in some way, stick with it. Keep repeating it. Repeat it out loud. This will help you align with your desire, because that desire in you is divine, and you can't go around it and try to get rid of it. You have to go through it. And this is what my blueprint helps you with. It's a map so that you can go through it and find the path, have the journey, because without it, you will stay stuck. It will be very difficult for you to move on like everyone's telling you to do. Forget him. Well, that's not working, or you wouldn't have clicked on this video. And it's okay, because that's the divine in you that's telling you something. You focused on that desire and it led you here. I work with women doing this every day, and the changes that come about and the partnerships, marriages, children that come out of it, it's really fulfilling for me to be able to impart this to women like you who are aligning with their desire. Once you align with it, you need to step into non-resistance. And that, of course, is tricky and takes continual practice. Those affirmations I gave you, when you are creating them in your mind, saying them in your mind, saying them out loud, you can't be thinking negatively. You can only be thinking that thought, which is a positive thought. This is what you need to start with to have non-resistance. You're going to be resistant. You're going to hear those thoughts in your head, and you're going to have that awful other voice saying, that's not true. You're just kidding yourself. Who do you think you are? Everybody else is right. He's this. You two were bad. It's just all negative. It's not going to work. If you stay there, that's what you will create, because you are a divine creator. The creator is your I amness. You're divine, and you create your life. You can do this. I did it. And in subsequent videos, I will be telling you more about that. But today, this is about you and about a foundation. So you stick with that first and foremost, knowing that 1 + 1 is going to equal 2. You add in a dab of patience and you will achieve your awesome outcome. If you need more help with this, there's a lot below in the description. This is very hard to go alone. I understand that. And when you have a blueprint and you are working on that path with this blueprint, a map, if you will, with the 3-pillared approach, using your mindset, manifestation, and the mechanics of men, you will be on your way to getting all that you desire and deserve. So today, take away DNA. My desire is divine. I am stepping into non-resistance. I am non-resistant, and I achieve my awesome outcome. 1 + 1 equals the 2 of you. So with that, I'm going to love and leave you so your man doesn't. I will see you in the next video.